Hi guys, are you drowning in projects, struggling to manage your time, or wondering if you are really maximizing your profits? Then this video is for you. I'm Keman, and today we are diving into the world of Excel PivotTables, your new secret weapon for successful project execution. Now, I know what you are thinking. Excel? Boring. But trust me, what I'm about to show you will revolutionize your freelance business. Let's start with a typical freelance nightmare. Multiple projects, different clients, varying hourly rates. Sound familiar? This is where most freelancers stop, but not you. In fact, not anymore. Watch this magic. And just like that, we've turned chaos into clarity. Let me break it down for you. See how easily we can now view hours spent per project. Want to know which client is most profitable? Just a click. Curious about your busiest months? We've got that covered too. But here's where it gets really exciting. Let me show you a real-world example. As a freelancer without pivot tables, you can overwork and stress yourself while leaving money on the table. But after implementing what I'm showing you today, you can increase billable hours by 20% and raise overall income by up to 35%, because you can seamlessly balance projects to available time. Now I can already hear some of you saying, but I'm not good with Excel. Don't worry, I've got you covered. I've created a step-by-step guide that will take you from Excel novice to pivot table pro. The link is in the description below. Visit the site now and you'll also get access to my exclusive template that you can use for your own freelance business. No more guesswork, no more stress, just data-driven decisions and better profit. If this video has been helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more freelance success tips. Remember, in the world of freelancing, knowledge is power and profits. See you in the next video. Thank you.